beautiful day out here, and we wanted to come back to this project. We did show short of where we were looking at. Now we've had some time to digest, so we're going to go over some of the changes we're going to be making to this house. We're going to change up the format a little bit, so you're going to see a little bit before, you're going to see what we've designed, and then in the future we'll show you the after. So make sure you subscribe and let us know how you like this format, and we'll keep doing it. So the front of the house now, you can see we're not going to change it too much. Where the big picture window is that goes into the family room, that's going to be the new main entrance. And the faux birdhouse up in the peak of that corner, we're going to remove that. We're going to update it a little bit, but still keep the character of the original house. The big changes are going to happen out back and inside. You'll notice the oil tank and the condenser unit, they're in the front of the house. We're going to relocate the condenser unit to the far side, and the oil tank is going away altogether. All right behind this bay window is the den. We're relocating the primary bedroom to where I'm standing right now. So what we're going to do is take that reverse gable that's coming off the back, and we're going to continue it out. And we're going to have a nice primary suite. Where the den is going to be the new primary bathroom and closets. We're going to extend this out. We're going to do a nice reverse gable here too, opening up the ceilings for a nice vaulted ceiling. So these windows just pretty much move out farther, creating a great flex room, becoming the dining room. And we're going to show you what we're going to do with the kitchen. We're going to put a small addition back here. We're going to keep the brick wall as an accent wall, but we need to create a small office space, possibly a fourth spare bedroom if need be. So we're going to show you that here in a minute. So we're keeping the fireplace in the same spot that it is now. We're reimagining these built-ins. Because the structure of the house is rafters and ceiling joists, we're going to be able to take this ceiling up a little bit. All right, now we're in part of the house that's going to see the biggest change. This kitchen was small and really tucked away. When you're in the kitchen, you didn't feel like you were a part of the conversation that might be happening in the living room or in the dining room. This wall is going to go away. This is where the island's going to start, and it's going to continue out to that new addition that's going to the back. We're going to have a nice area for prepping food. We're going to have an area for cooking food. We're even going to have a walk-in pantry that this house has never seen before. And you're always going to feel like you're part of the action when you're in the kitchen. So we can't wait to show you that big change. And we're definitely going to come back to this house once it's completed, show you how it all turned out. For now, you're going to have to make do with our renderings, which I think are pretty spectacular. Coming in from the garage into this area, we're going to reimagine this space. The laundry room is going to become the bench locker area, drop zone. This old utility room is going to become the new laundry room. So we're moving the HVAC up into the attic, which gives us a lot of space for the new laundry. Right, while While we love this den, we love this bay window, unfortunately it has to go. We need the space for the new bathroom and closet, as the primary bedroom is going to be out that direction. So we did find a new location for the den. Can't wait to show you how that turned out. Here was the old dining room. We're going to repurpose this room. This is going to become the new den. We're going to put a wall here with some French doors to close it off, and there's going to be a pocket door at the other end. So this could double as your office as well. And while we had those nice built-ins in the other room, can't wait to show you what we have in mind for here. Now we're in the part of the house that's going to get the least amount of renovation. So I'm standing in what was the primary bathroom, which is now going to be the ensuite for the guest bedroom. And unfortunately, they've already removed the pink toilet. We would have loved to repurpose that, but it's just going to get a facelift, get it updated. And while there's a shower right on the other side of this, or a tub right on the other side of this wall, what we're going to do is take that wall out, making 2 4-foot showers instead of a 5-foot tub and a 3-foot shower. Make sure you subscribe, tell us what you think about our ideas. We'd love to hear your feedback, and remember, every house should be as unique as the people that call it home.